Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Trick App channel. And today I'll show you how to see hidden chat in Viber. Now you can use hidden chat feature on Viber to hide your chats which are vulnerable and you do not want anyone else to see them. So currently, as you can see, I am on my Viber profile and in here I have already hidden a chat. Now I need to access it, and to see the hidden chat you can follow this step-by-step guide. So in your Viber you need to head over to your search from the top right side of your screen and click on that. In here you're going to be typing the pin code that you set when you were setting up the hidden chat feature. So currently, as you can see, I have entered my pin code and you can see Nico is now being displayed under the hidden option, and you can also see the hidden chat icon on top of his profile picture. Click on that and now you can access your hidden chat. Let's say I message him something and I go back to my primary chats. You can see it is no longer being displayed in here since it is hidden. So that's pretty much it on how to access your hidden chat on Viber, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you like the videos, please share with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe.